What's up, people? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Wednesday, the 17th of September. It's FOMC Wednesday, and I'm going to break down the two trades I took that made me 1.5k. One of the trades was emotional, one of the trades was strategic, but let's get into it. So, this is going to be a bit of a weird trade recap because I'm flipping tired, I'm boiling. No clue how, but anyway, here is the P&L 1.5. Here are the executions, and yeah, I'm gonna try and make this quick. So, going into the morning, I was obviously bearish. I was bearish all day long. So as you can see, all of these stacked highs are getting here. We can just see straight off the bat, bullish order flow is getting disrespected. What does that mean? That means that all of the gaps are getting run, all of the lows are getting run. As we can see here, we got a bunch of lows. We're just running through them all with no retracement up to sweep our internal buy side. We're just running. We're manipulating high, running. So basically, the retail pattern here is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're just running, and we're not seeing any sense of manipulation. What does that tell us? We're bearish. What is the aim for the day? To sweep out sell side of the curve. Right here, daily fair value gap. We want to see that swept out. So it is FOMC. It should have been short, small risk, but going into FOMC, we have got 2 hourly, 1 hour fair value gaps. So if we can see that, what do I want to see on the charts? We already know that there's stacked highs here, but we already know that there's internal low resistance liquidity with the external sell side of the curve. So I want to see OTE of this range get respected. Bang, FOMC opens, we run higher, we sweep our internal, and we reject lower off of this midnight open gap. At this time, you can see ES ran higher, swept all of these stacked highs. Swept all of these stacked highs and created a high time from SMT. So straight off the bat, we got two confidences in the bag. We have got a rejection of OTE here, and we have got a high time from SMT. Cool. So now that we've got levels, we've got key levels being rejected, we've got key PD arrays getting rejected, and we've got a high time from SMT in place. What do we want to see? We want to see bearish order flow. Bang. 1 minute gap inversed. This is not enough for me to enter, by the way, because the risk is high and I haven't seen enough price action. At this time, the CISD also did get ran. Was this the trade that I should have taken? Fuck yeah. But I didn't see what I wanted to see, so I didn't trade it. Cool, what do we want to see? Bang, bang, bang. Market sweep out sell side of the curve. Wait, I think it's here. Yeah, here. Here. Okay, market sweep out sell side of the curve. What do I want to see now? If I'm bearish, I want to see a follow-up to this 5 minute fair value gap, because what have we done here? We've broken 15-minute structure. We've inversed 15-minute gaps. So we are still bearish internally and externally. We're still bearish because we're just disrespecting every single bullish confirmation. What do I want to see? I want to see a pullback to this 5 minute gap and an OTE. I want to see a clear rejection, and I want to see internal manipulation with a change in structural delivery. What are we doing here? We're running up. What are we doing on the lower time frames? We're engineering sell side liquidity. This becomes low resistance liquidity. Okay, cool. Tapped into 0.62 the range. We can see that there's some bearish people jumping into shorts. Right here, we can get rid of this. We know it's bearish. We have got a fair value gap. What do I want to see if I'm bearish? I want to see fair value gaps and CISDs get absolutely plowed through. Was this an entry here? Yes. Was it a bad risk to reward? Fuck yeah. Did I enter that? No. Okay. Then I think I entered here. I'm pretty sure. 82 maybe. 82, 82, 82, 82, 82. 82. Okay, cool. What have we had now? We've had flipping, internal manipulation. So we've had internal manipulation. No, sorry. Internal manipulation here. Because what do people expect when we hit equilibrium and start printing bearish candles? We expect us to run through for value gaps and displace lower. Did we do that? No, that is why it is manipulation. What do I need to enter a trade? I need a confident draw on liquidity, manipulation internally, change in structural delivery, and an SMT. We have a high time from SMT, internal change in state, internal manipulation, confident draw on liquidity. We have got low resistance liquidity here, and at this time, we had not ran sell side of the curve on ES. What were we printing? We were printing bearish structure. What do I expect? A bearish continuation to the downside, and that is exactly what flipping happened. Cool, I enter. This is a very high risk trade. Listen, you can make a lot in a short time, but you can lose even more in a short time. You have to be ready for these trades. I was not emotionally prepped. I was listening to a YouTuber spit me out his confirmations. Is this my setup? Yes. Would I have taken it and won the trade if I wasn't on his live stream? Yes. But was I on his live stream? Yeah. And is it all my fault? Yeah. That self-accountability will take you far. Okay, cool. Markets run here. Markets run here. Sweep out internal. Markets run here. I see myself up a bag. I don't want to lose it. So cool. I'm still emotional. And yeah, flipping. I think I pulled the trade right on that candle here. So hey, you gotta be in it to win it. You gotta be in the right mindset. Entering, planning out, entering, and exiting. You've got to be in the same mindset. I've had this too many times. I emotionally take my profits out. It's not good, man. It's fucking disgraceful, but it is what it is. It's happened. I've got to prep for tomorrow. Got to prepare. Unemployment claims, 1:30 p.m. We hit yesterday with a win. We hit today with a win. We're up. Over 3K this week. No one cares other than me. And I'm going to fucking do it. So, enough of me waffling. I'm going to show you the fucking shitty trade that I took as well. I literally took like the most bro, I can't even speak, let alone flipping, get 1.2k in 1 minute. Fuck, I mean, that is not a good trade, bro. If you're watching this and you ever see me do trades like this, just know I'm not holding a stop loss on that. It's take profit or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, then I'm fucked. But yeah, that's the trade recap. Tomorrow will be a good day. Tomorrow we'll be following our rules. Friday we'll be following our rules. The whole of next week we'll be following our rules. We will learn from our mistakes that we made today and we will not repeat them again. That is it, people. Comment how you did today, if you found the markets easy or hard. And yeah, in a bit.